Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your favorite destination for all things home decor and interior design inspiration. Today we are diving into 12 delightful ways to breathe new life into your home with our spring and Easter styling guide. We will explore fresh colors, botanical accents, and whimsical touches that capture the essence of the season. If you find these ideas inspiring, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more design tips. Soft hues like mint green, lavender, and blush pink can instantly lighten the mood of any room. Try swapping out heavy winter throw pillows for lighter fabrics in these gentle, airy shades. This simple change mimics the budding flowers outside and makes your living area feel much more spacious. Integrating these colors creates a cohesive and calming environment that celebrates the arrival of spring. Your fireplace mantle serves as a perfect stage for a lush arrangement of eucalyptus and fresh tulips. Interspersing white ceramic bunnies among the greenery adds a sophisticated yet festive Easter touch. The contrast between the vibrant green leaves and the soft floral petals brings a natural energy indoors. A well-styled mantle becomes the focal point of the room, drawing the eye to the beauty of the new season. Create a stunning conversation piece by hanging hand-painted eggs from gathered birch or willow branches. Place the branches in a sturdy glass vase filled with moss or decorative stones for a grounded look. This vertical element adds height to your dining table while maintaining a playful, artistic atmosphere. It is an easy DIY project that brings a unique, sculptural quality to your holiday gathering. A crisp linen tablecloth in a neutral oat or cream color provides a timeless foundation for your Easter brunch. Layer and woven seagrass placemats to add texture and a rustic, organic feel to the setting. Using natural materials evokes a sense of comfort and simplicity that resonates with the spring season. These earthy elements balance out the more colorful decorations for a truly refined aesthetic. Greet your guests with a burst of color by hanging a wreath overflowing with forsythia, hydrangea, and silk ribbons. A circular arrangement symbolizes renewal and provides an immediate boost to your home's curb appeal. You can mix in small speckled bird nests or faux eggs to lean further into the Easter theme. This simple addition makes your entryway feel warm, inviting, and perfectly in tune with nature. Miniature landscapes tucked under glass cloches offer a charming and protected way to display delicate spring treasures. Arrange small patches of moss, tiny porcelain figurines, and dried flowers to create a magical woodland scene. These portable decorations work beautifully on coffee tables, bookshelves, or even bedside stands. They act as little windows into a fantasy garden, adding a touch of wonder to your interior styling. Clear out the clutter from your windowsills to make way for a collection of potted herbs and colorful glass vases. As the spring sun streams through, the glass will cast beautiful colored shadows across your floor and furniture. Growing herbs like basil or mint not only looks beautiful, but also adds a fresh fragrance to your kitchen. This styling choice maximizes natural light and celebrates the growth that defines this time of year. Incorporate a sense of history by displaying antique postcards or aged brass ornaments alongside your seasonal decor. Mixing old-world charm with fresh flowers creates a sophisticated shabby chic look that feels curated and personal. You can use an old wooden crate or a silver tray to group these items together for a polished finish. This approach adds depth to your styling by bridging the gap between past traditions and modern aesthetics. Fill large wooden or ceramic bowls with a mix of bright lemons, limes, and scattered daisy blooms. The vibrant yellow and green tones provide a high-energy pop of color that feels incredibly zesty and clean. This styling trick is perfect for kitchen islands or dining sideboards where you want a fresh, edible-looking display. It is a cost-effective way to bring a sensory experience of sight and scent into your home. Transition your bedroom for the warmer months by replacing heavy duvets with lightweight cotton coverlets and fringed throws. Use materials like waffle knit or seersucker to add visual interest without the extra heat of winter fabrics. Soft textures invite relaxation and make the space feel like a breezy sanctuary away from the world. Layering different fabrics ensures the room feels finished and intentional, while remaining practical for the changing weather. Suspend small glass orbs containing air plants or single flower stems from your dining room chandelier. This unexpected placement draws the gaze upward and utilizes the vertical space in your room creatively. It creates a floating garden effect that feels light, airy, and modern for an Easter celebration. These delicate accents add a whimsical movement to the room that traditional tabletop decor simply cannot achieve. Transform your foyer with a dedicated bench featuring floral cushions and a basket of fresh umbrellas for April showers. A large floor vase with tall pussy willow branches can add a dramatic and elegant architectural element to the corner. This setup ensures that the very first thing people see is a thoughtful reflection of the beautiful spring season. We hope you enjoyed these styling tips, so please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more.